I really get bored sometimes when people glorify nature, especially on the internet. They're like, oh, nature, nature, humanity sucks. I like only nature. I don't know. I think nature isn't good or bad. Certainly not benevolent. Nature is tough. Nature gives us the plague. Nature gives us the coronavirus. I think that's what happened. But yeah, sometimes nature has her moments, and then she looks beautiful. But then, take notice: the nice bells that you hear, made by Team Humanity. And did you notice those little ants? How they're going up and down there on the bark of the tree? Yeah, nature can be nice.